Hello guys, today's video gagawa tayo ng homemade kikiam. Lagay natin ito. Dito guys, naglagay ako ng 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half cup of all-purpose flour. Nakuha na ng video guys dahil nalobat ang aking cellphone. Okay, thanks for watching and see you on my next video. Bye bye and God bless.